In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add competitors in Sprout Social. This process will only take about 5 minutes, and it's a straightforward way to start monitoring how your competition is performing, helping you make strategic decisions for your business or brand. First, let's dive right in by opening up your preferred web browser. It doesn't really matter which one you use, as long as you're comfortable navigating it. Once your browser is open, go ahead and type Sprout Social into the search bar. You could also directly type in the URL if you have it memorized, but searching for it works just as well. After your search results come up, look for the official Sprout Social website. Once you've found it, you should notice options that either allow you to sign in or sign up if you haven't already created an account with them. Click on the appropriate option and enter your credentials to access your Sprout Social dashboard. Make sure that you have the necessary permissions for accessing the competitor performance features, since some account types might have different levels of access. Once you're logged into Sprout Social, you'll want to direct your attention to the left side of your screen where you'll find the sidebar menu. This menu contains various options that let you navigate through the different features Sprout Social offers. In this sidebar, look for the Reports section, and from here, you'll need to click on Competitor Performance. This is where you can add and monitor the activities of your competitors, giving you insights into how they're engaging with their audience. Next, within the Competitor Performance section, you'll see an option to Add Competitor. Clicking on this will prompt a box or field that allows you to type in the name of the competitor you're interested in monitoring. Be sure to enter the exact name or handle to ensure you're tracking the right profiles. After you've entered the name, go ahead and click the Add button. Sprout Social will then process this information and start gathering data on your selected competitor's online presence and activities. Keeping tabs on what your competitors are up to can offer valuable insights into industry trends, audience preferences, and potential new strategies for your own content. Make sure to periodically review these reports to stay updated and adjust your strategies accordingly. And that's it. In just a few simple steps, you've now successfully added a competitor to your Sprout Social account. With this information at your fingertips, you're better equipped to make informed decisions and strategies, ensuring that your brand or business stays competitive in the ever-evolving social media landscape. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more helpful tips and tutorials like this one. See you next time.